Okay, let's see you eat. Good job. Are you eating your grits like a lunatic? Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. I'm eating grits, everybody. I'm an amazing baby. You want a little blueberry with your salty food? Here, have a blueberry. Good job. Now be careful and chew your food up. You want some milky? That's an amazing baby. Good job. Baby. Mmm. Blueberry, good.
Yes.
Don't mean a thing if you ain't holding me tight. What about your sausage? Are you eating that strawberry? Good job. There it is. You're eating blueberries. You're a Mason. Mason.
Yeah.
Are you gonna go now? Where are you going? You're just gonna turn around in the chair. You get grits all over the furniture and stuff?
Yeah.
Well, well, well. Scavenger doggies. Where are you going?
Yeah.
Where are you going? There's grits all over your hands.
Yeah.
You gonna dance? Show me how you dance. Good job. All right, Lyla, dance. Can you dance? Wow, you're a Mason. Mason. Riley. Hey. Maybush. Ah! Alright, I'm gonna turn this off. Should I turn the video off, Lyla? Lyla, what do you want to do? You want to dance?
Yeah.
Alright, well, let's dance a little bit. Go ahead and dance. You want the sausage?
Yeah.
Good job. Don't let the dogs get the sausage. Where'd you go? Where's Lyla? Where's Lyla? Oh, there she is. Look at those grits all over you. You're unbelievable. Maybeth! You're unbelievable. What's wrong, girl? What's wrong? What are you doing? Look at your little feet right there. You don't help up. Look at you. Are you amazing?
Lyla.
Lyla. That's who you are.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. Look at you eating those grits. Like a savage. Are you about to go get my food? Look at you. Look at those little handsies.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. Good job. Oh my gosh. Lyla Bear, Are you needing to go?
Yeah.
You are needing to go.
Yes.
What do you? Ah, la, la, la. That's my food. What do you want to do today? What you want? What do you want? A blueberry?
Hot.
The blueberry's hot. It's not, is it? It's nice and cold. A nice cold sweet treat with your salty food.
Yeah.
Yeah! How many fingers am I holding up? 2? That's just one finger. Where's your nose at? There it is. How many fingers is this?
2.
2. How many fingers is this?
3.
3. How many fingers is this?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
5. Good job. Do you need to go?
Yeah.
You want to go on? Where you want to go?
Moon.
You want to go to the moon?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No.
You want your milky? Here you go. Uh-oh.
No.
Can you not drink your milky?
Gosh.
You want some water instead? You want some water? Alright, well here's the water right here. You want some water? Whoa.
Whoa.
That water's cold, isn't it? Did it go down your shirt?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Whoa.
Maybe you should go get in the bathtub and we'll clean you off after eating that food. Yeah. You gonna put my shoes on and go to work? Yes? Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Good gracious.
Moon.
Moon? Yes?
Yeah.
Moon?
Yeah.
You want to go to the moon?
No. No.
Water? Oh, here you go.
Whoa.
Whoa, that's good cold water, isn't it? You want some more?
No.
No? So you want to go live on the moon?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good job. Where's Riley? There she is. Where's Mayboos? Mayboos. There she is. Hey, Mayboozy. Where's Lyla? There she is. That's you. That's you. Good job. Can you give me 5? You want some more water? Here, come on. You don't want any water, or you want some water? You want some milky? What are you doing? What do you want? You want the water? All right. What do you want? A blueberry? Riley, no. Let me clean that off for you. It's probably got doo-doo all over it. Look at what you pulled out of the refrigerator. Can you put that stuff back in the refrigerator? Okay, put that stuff back up. Good job. Don't drop your sausage, because those doggies will eat it. Get out of here, doggies. Can you put that stuff back up, Lila? Put all of it back up. Up. That's a hard one to put in there, isn't it? Oh, good job. Good job. You still got some more stuff to put in there. Riley, get out of there. Riley, can you put that up in there? Whoa. Good job. Let's put the Miss Buttersworth in there. Riley, you want me to put it in there?
Yes.
Yes?
Okay.
Okay. Whoa. How many fingers I got here?
Good.
4?
Yeah.
How is that 4? What about this?
2.
2? That's just 1 finger.
Yes.
2. Cookie?
Yeah.
Oh no. Cookie Monster or cookies? Which one? Cookie Monster? He looks like Riley.
Yes.
He does.
Okay.
Okay. Can you put that book in the refrigerator? Oh, that's Mommy's V8. Good job. Whoa. Those are heavy. Miss, that's difficult. You got it. Can you put those books in there? There you go. They don't really need to go in the fridge, but it'd be fun if you put them in there. You want to take them to Mommy? Uh-oh. Where'd Lyla go? Where's Lyla? Where's my Lyla girl? Lyla? Lyla, I miss you. Where are you? Where's my sweet Lyla? Ah. Oh my gosh. There she is. Was that fun? You want to dance?
Yeah.
Alright. Go ahead and show me your dance.
Wow.
Good job. All right, we're gonna go. I'm gonna turn the thing off. Okay. All right, say bye. Say bye to the camera. Say bye. Oh.